My name's Chris. I work with Smedley Plumbing. I'm an installer for them. I don't work on ACs, furnaces, and I don't mess with the electrical. But Noah came here not knowing anything. I mean, look at that. That's a mess. I'm trying to figure out where this stuff's going because I got to get busy myself or we're never going to get this done. I guess go get one.
I don't know. I guess I'll just use a different one.
I knew that was going to happen. We don't even have a first aid kit in the truck. Can I get a picante, please? Thank you.
Thank you.
Where are you at?
I'm going to Quick Trip.
I thought you were going. I stopped over here at this one. I'm just gonna go in.
Hey, Carolyn, nice to meet you.
I'm Chris. Nice to meet you. Is it filled in and all that?
Yeah, but we're supposed to bust this part open and cap it, I guess, and then it's going here. Yep.
Well, yeah, it's looped. So you got that one that's looped off of this one, and then you got this one that's looped off of that one, and you got this one that's looped off of this one.
So they're all just wrong.
I mean, look at that. That's a mess. That's a lot of loops. If you plug too much stuff in, you'll blow the breaker. I'm gonna go get the lid so we can draw this because I gotta get busy myself or we're never gonna get this done. We lost our earplug, our whole container of earplugs. And we looked on my van yesterday for them, didn't find them, but we didn't look on his van. And so normally Noah will run electric first, I'll run the discharge first, and then we'll break the pit and tackle that together. But Noah is getting frustrated with this outlet that he couldn't get to work. All right, Noah, I'm done, I'm going home. Box for what?
The outlet.
Why don't we just use our box?
What box?
What happened to the box that was there? Wasn't that a plastic one too?
That's what I'm saying.
Or was that a metal one?
It was a metal one, but
Was it screwed to the side?
I mean, I guess I could, I don't know.
I'm gonna help you with this and then I'm gonna go start digging that. So we can get out of here. I would just take them both through the back.
Yeah. Yeah, I did too, but it didn't work. And then it wouldn't go maker. And then I broke the screw.
I guess go get one.
I don't know. I guess I'll just use a different one. I don't know, dude. I don't know.
I guess go get one.
Where's the other GFI?
It's up
Put it
there?
in here?
Yeah. You didn't even get it in the box yet then.
No, it was in the box. Then I went to go do it again. What happened?
Noah came here not knowing anything. So Noah didn't have tools. I've been doing this since I was a kid. Probably should have done this before I put it on. I knew that was gonna happen. We don't even have a first aid kit in the truck. We got glue, I'll glue it. I guess the only alternative.
Bro, I don't know what I'm doing.
Bro, I don't know what the hell I'm doing either. My finger. I'm not even gonna mess. Do you have a first aid kit in there? Noah? That's the closet. I did that earlier too. Still don't work? I don't think you can put two GFIs. And if it's back feeding the other way, you can't do that. Hook it back up to a regular outlet and see if it works.
Mitch said, well, then you're most likely wiring it wrong, or the incoming wires are not the wires you think they are.
I'm gonna call another guy. Watch this. There's already an outlet there. How this is ran, I think it's coming from, I may be wrong, but I think it's coming from the panel to the plug. Yeah, that would help me, but the guy that I'm working with, he's the one working on it. And He's at, like, he just doesn't know what to do. All right, Noah, this guy's gonna explain to you what you gotta do.
Yeah.
Exactly what I just told you about that GFI is exactly what's going on.
Yeah, hot, neutral, ground's all the same system. GFI works off the neutral, but it'll also, if that GFI trips and you're coming off the load side of that GFI to another GFI, it'll detect that other GFI and neither one of them will work.
Does it work? Huh?
Put it online and hooked up to the line, not the load.
Are we sure that do we know which one's the load?
It says it on the back of it.
No, do we know which wire is the load?
Well, they're pigtail.
Mitch at first told me, let him make mistakes, let him mess up, let him do all that. And I'm just like, I'm not that type of guy because I gotta fix that after he messes it up. So I'm like, that just makes more work for myself. But if there is extra work because he messes up, Noah makes it worth it because he really does try. And he stresses on it when he tries, so he makes it totally worth it. Teamwork makes the dream work. That's everything I do in a day. If you want a deeper look in what we do, check out Noah's video.